Okay, welcome back. Now we're on the back of this algebra review set of notes. And so what we'll do on the back here is we'll talk about slope. We'll look at slope a couple different ways. We'll start with slope from a graph. So number 7 says calculate the slope of each line. Think about rise over run. All right, think about a fraction. In part A, they give you 2 points. They give you A and B. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to count. And when I do slope, I count the rise over the run. The rise is up and down. And the run is your left and your right. So this is not the same as plotting a point where it's x comma y. In this case, we do the y values up and down first, then we do the x values second. Now I always move, though, as I'm reading this, I go from the left to the right. So I'm going to start at point A. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to count down first. I go down. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4. When I go down, it's negative. So that's negative 4. And then from here, I'm going to run to the right, 1, 2, 3, which is positive. So the slope, now for slope, we use the lowercase letter m. M equals negative 4 over 3. That's it. You count the rise, down 4, you count the run, over 3, and you write it as a fraction. Always simplify your fractions. In this case, this is already good. All right, part B. As I look left to right, this line is rising. I'm going to start at point C. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to rise 1, 2. That's positive. And then we're going to run over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the right, when you move right, it's positive, so that's positive 6. So the slope, m equals 2 over 6. Now both of these, we can reduce those numbers. You can divide each of these by 2, and what you get is 1 over 3. So there's your slope. For line C and line D, these are special